Important places in Alberta history. Part 1. 21,000 to 10,000 BC. Indigenous people come to Alberta. Indigenous people came to Alberta a long time ago. They hunted bison for food and clothes. Many Indigenous people used canoes on rivers and lakes. Many people lived in teepees. You can learn more about Indigenous history at Head Smashed In Buffalo Jump. Part 2. 1750s to 1870s. Europeans and the Fur Trade. In 1754, an English explorer named Anthony Henday came to Alberta. He was one of the first Europeans in Alberta. More Europeans came later. They came to trade furs and to explore. Indigenous people traded furs for tools and other things. Fur traders wanted beaver pelts. Beaver pelts were used to make hats in Europe. There were more than 300 fur trading posts in Alberta. Part 3, 1795 to 1870, Fort Edmonton. Edmonton began as a fur trading post. It was called Fort Edmonton. Traders used York boats to carry furs to Europe. You can learn more about fur trade history at Fort Edmonton.